Are you tired of sifting through endless drill press options and hoping for one that actually fits woodworking needs? Don't worry, we've tested the top picks and kept the choices balanced between power, precision, and value. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drill press for woodworking that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the WEN DP1263V. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the compact footprint and solid build signal a tool designed for small shops. This drill press targets hobbyists and small shop professionals who crave precision, stability, and versatility without overwhelming complexity. Its design emphasizes rigidity, featuring a solid steel column and a robust head that resists deflection during heavy drilling tasks. The overall footprint is compact, yet the table, quill travel, and head assembly are proportioned for stable operation in tight spaces. A clear depth stop and adjustable table tilt enhance alignment accuracy, while the belt-driven speed system balances torque and heat during use. A versatile chuck accommodates common drill bits and features a user-friendly spindle for quick bit changes. During testing, the DP1263V delivered steady RPM and minimal bit wandering when drilling through soft pine and hardwood maple. Vibration remained low under moderate feeds, and the integrated depth stop helped repeatable hold depths across multiple pieces. Compared to the Delta 18900, the WEN DP1263V offers smoother operation and easier belt changes at a similar price. The pros include excellent build quality, effective vibration control, and simple belt speed adjustments. The cons include limited depth stop versatility and occasional belt alignment required. One notable value facet is the straightforward setup process, with clear instructions and accessible adjustment knobs for quick calibration. Maintenance and serviceability are user-friendly, with a simple belt cover and minimal lubricants required to keep it running smoothly. For woodworkers upgrading from entry-level drills, the DP1263V represents a balanced choice combining stability, versatility, and value that lasts. At number 4, we have the GarveeTech Benchtop Drill Press. From the moment you unbox it, the GarveeTech feels purpose-built for hobbyists and makers who value precision over flashiness. It targets woodworkers seeking reliable mid-range performance without the complexity of professional machinery, offering approachable setup and predictable results. Early impressions emphasize compact footprint for small shops, yet generous table area hints at real usability beyond miniature projects. The chassis uses a sturdy cast iron base with a powder-coated finish that resists scuffs and maintains alignment after transport. Machining tolerances appear tight, and the quill rides smoothly in its sleeve, reducing drift during repeated boring tasks. The base weight stabilizes operation during heavy drilling, while the column and headstock lock solidly to prevent any wobbly excursions. A versatile spindle offers variable speeds across a broad range, enabling clean holes in hardwoods and softwoods with minimal tear-out. The table tilts and extends, supporting angled or offset drilling while remaining stable under moderate force thanks to reinforced mounting. A built-in depth stop and precise dial readouts help reproduce settings consistently across multiple pieces, reducing drift and maximizing repeatability. During test passes, the drill press maintains steady speed without noticeable belt slip, delivering clean, perpendicular holes in pine and birch. Acceleration between settings remained predictable, with only a light hum and modest vibration that stayed within comfortable handling limits. In real-world woodshop trials, accuracy held up for repeat drillings, ranking favorably against budget alternatives in clean results. Compared to the PowerPro 50B, the GarveeTech Benchtop drill press offers tighter alignment and quieter operation at similar price points. The pros include sturdy cast iron construction, a broad speed range, and a reliable depth stop that ensures repeatable results. The cons include heavier overall weight and a relatively compact work table that can limit large projects during long production sessions. At number 3, we have the Dremel 220-01, a compact drill press designed for hobbyists who crave precision and portability. From the moment you unbox it, the ergonomics and clean engineering convey a tool built to endure long sessions and delicate tasks. Its chassis features a brushed aluminum shell and a sturdy metal base, providing stability while maintaining a compact footprint for tight workshops. Overall dimensions remain compact, allowing easy placement on a workbench alongside other essential tools without crowding adjacent space. The spindle offers precise travel and a low-profile design that preserves workspace clearance, while a built-in depth stop aids repeatable drilling. An adjustable speed control enables dialing the torque for wood, plastics, or soft metals, enhancing versatility across common workshop tasks. In practice, the 220-ohm delivers clean holes with minimal drift when paired with sharp bits and careful work holding. During extended sessions, vibration remains manageable thanks to a balanced spindle and solid base, preserving control during detail routing and drilling. In direct comparison with the Proxxon PF230, the Dremel 220-1 offers easier setup but slightly less rigidity. The pros include portable design, easy bit changes, and stable base, all contributing to faster setup and more reliable precision during projects. The cons include a relatively higher price point for a compact unit and limited power compared to larger stationary drill presses. Compatibility with standard drill bits through a common chuck system keeps projects flexible and reduces unnecessary purchases over time. Maintenance is straightforward, with accessible screws and a simple belt or gear access points that minimize downtime between sessions. Overall, the Dremel 200-1 carves a niche for hobbyists seeking portability without sacrificing essential drilling performance in nearly any compact workshop environment. At number 2, we have the generic drill guide, a compact, precision-oriented tool designed for serious woodworkers and ambitious hobbyists alike. From first glance, this drill guide invites hobbyists and professionals seeking precise, repeatable drilling without the complexity of a full drill press. Its footprint fits modest benches, attracting beginners upgrading from handheld drilling yet requiring reliable alignment for cabinet making and small projects. The included manual and measuring aids promote quick setup, enabling newcomers to achieve level starts without learning the hard way. Despite its affordable price, the alloy frame and reinforced table provide surprising rigidity during repeated drilling sessions without flexing or rattling. The compact dimensions measure roughly 8 by 8 inches of table space, with a modest 12-inch height for versatile placement. Its weight remains light for portability yet heavy enough to dampen vibration during centering, and its fence extends 12 inches for precise alignment. In terms of build quality, the base integrates steel fasteners and robust hardware that stays tight after lengthy sessions. The motor delivers sufficient torque for wood materials up to a 1/4-inch hole through oak, maintaining speed under moderate load. It features a user-friendly depth stop and scale, enabling repeatable drilling depth with minimal drift across multiple cuts. The quill travels smoothly with integrated rack and pinion adjustment, supporting fine-tuning for exact hole positioning in various woods. The base uses a wide footprint and nylon pads to resist marring and prevent creeping during heavy drilling sessions. Compared to a typical benchtop drill press, the generic drill guide prioritizes alignment simplicity and portability at the cost of sheer power. The pros include compact footprint with sturdy base, easy setup for beginners, and excellent precision for price and versatility. The cons include limited power for hardwoods during heavy cuts and small work surface that restricts larger stock. At number 1, we have the SpeTool Portable Drill Guide. From first glance, this compact tool instantly signals practical appeal for woodworkers, DIY hobbyists, and tradespeople seeking consistent, precise drilling results. Designed to travel between job sites easily, its lightweight and compact footprint make it ideal for on-site projects and tight workspaces. This product targets hobbyists seeking better drilling accuracy and professionals needing reliable pocket-ready guides without expensive power tools. The chassis uses an aluminum alloy body combined with steel guides, delivering a surprisingly sturdy platform that resists flex under normal drilling pressure. Its compact footprint measures roughly 7 by 5 inches when folded, enabling easy storage in a tool tote or crowded workshop drawer. The rugged clamp system ensures repeatable accuracy even on angled or irregular workpieces during demanding projects at the worksite. A standout feature is the use of a 45-degree adjustable drill guide, facilitating angled holes with consistent spacing and reduced chance of drift. The device supports a bit range from 1/64 to 1/2 inch, enabling accurate guidance for small pilot holes up to larger template holes. Depth stop and scale are included, offering repeatable depth control and straightforward measurement when drilling multiple workpieces of identical thickness. During field testing on both hardwoods and softwoods, the guides maintained alignment and produced clean, perpendicular holes under everyday workshop conditions. Setup was quick, mounting clamps released smoothly, allowing rapid repositioning between workpieces without sacrificing precision or long-term consistency through repetition. In real-world projects, this drill guide proved reliable on job sites crowded with sawdust and clutter, maintaining alignment even with improvised stands. Compared to the Milescraft drill guide, the SpeTool offers tighter tolerances, easier clamping, and a more compact footprint for portable setups. The pros include portable and lightweight for on-site use, precise alignment with adjustable stops, and durable aluminum construction. The cons include limited depth adjustment range and clamps that can slip on slick or curved workpieces during demanding tasks.